In the Spider-Man the Animated Series of 1994, Spider-Man finds a mysterious living black goop-like organism from space, the symbiote, which bonds with him, turning his suit black, also boosting his strength, sharpening his spider sense, and his aggression. At first, Spider-Man enjoys the newly gained amazing powers. He fights crime with greater efficiency, and even takes down formidable foes like the Shocker and the Rhino with ease. But eventually he realizes the suit is feeding on him, making him angrier and more ruthless. The suit tries to take over, but Peter resists and tears it off. The rejected symbiote then finds a new host, Eddie Brock, who becomes Venom. It's been years since Peter Parker rejected the symbiote. He has faced countless battles, always refusing to let darkness back into his life. But now, Mary Jane is in mortal danger, kidnapped by a powerful new villain who threatens to end her life unless Spider-Man surrenders. Peter tries everything, every ally, every tactic. He's bruised, exhausted, outmatched. His web shooters are empty, his strength is gone. And as he collapses in a dark alley, the voice he never wanted to hear again whispers from the shadows. He turns. The inky black form slithers from the darkness, like a memory he buried long ago. He trembles. Fear, anger, desperation.
I need to save her. I can't do it alone.
I can kill you. We can be unstoppable. Together.
Peter hesitates, but he sees Mary Jane's face in his mind. He can't lose her. He can't lose anyone else.
Do it.
Are you sure? You can stop anytime.
No. Do it.
He pauses, his voice trembling but resolute.
But no bond. Separate minds. Okay?
Okay, like the first days.
Black tendrils wrap around Peter, crawling across his skin, weaving into the familiar suit. The strength surges through him. Every muscle feels reborn. His senses sharpen.
So, what do you think, Peter?
The mask closes over his face, leaving only the white, unblinking eyes.
Do I still fit?
Peter's eyes narrow. He clenches his fist, feeling the old power. But this time, he's determined to stay himself.
Let's find out.
Black Suited Spider-Man is reborn and starts swinging in the night toward destiny.